One of the greatest threats to our planet is plastic waste. This means the PET in your plastic bottles and the LDPE in your plastic bags. But it's also the PVC coatings from print media used in the advertising industry. In 2018 alone, Europe printed approximately 340 million square metres of PVC banner material. That's enough to cover Wembley Stadium 4,200 times in just 1 year. Businesses are printing new, short-term use PVC banners with every new product or brand message and simply throwing the old ones away. This is a problem in urgent need of attention. In 2018, the EU produced about 29.1 million tonnes of plastic waste. Of this, 32.5% was recycled and 24.9% was put into landfill. 42.6% was converted into energy through various schemes. Many of us think recycling is the most eco-friendly option for waste, but many plastic fibres, including PVC banners, are so degraded by the process involving solvents and other toxic chemicals that they are often unusable and become waste, which is either incinerated or put into landfill. Without substantial government or private sector subsidies, the recycling process is not a financially viable option for most businesses. When PVC plastic waste is incinerated in a waste-to-energy plant, substantial quantities of dioxins and furans are produced, which cause cancer and reproductive and developmental problems. They also damage the immune system and interfere with both human and animal hormonal balance. Hydrogen chloride is also produced and released into the environment, causing further negative health impacts, as well as increasing soil acidity, which has far-reaching knock-on effects for all land and water ecosystems. PVC doesn't readily degrade, and when it does, it gives off a number of toxic substances, including dioxins and furans, which then make up leachate. All of this then contaminates groundwater, rivers, the food chain and water sources. With limited options for the disposal of PVC banners in a safe and eco-friendly way, Taya is using its decades of research, development and manufacturing experience to bring its Kavalan range of clean printing materials to the large format printing industry. Its lightweight, water-based coating is of the highest quality and durability, and its proven superior performance easily outperforms PVC materials. Kavalan is the industry's first true eco-friendly material. It can be safely disposed of using the EU's incineration waste-to-energy schemes, as its emission of dioxins, furans and HCl are hundreds of times lower than PVC banner waste and well below the minimum safety levels issued by EU guidelines. The Kavalan range is PVC-free and 100% clean. Incinerating just one 3.2 metre roll of Kavalan's clean material can generate enough energy to power an iPhone for over 5 years. And this has a further benefit of offsetting the power produced by burning fossil fuels, thereby reducing carbon emissions even further. Furthermore, Kavalan weighs up to 50% less, significantly reducing carbon emissions in transportation. The look, feel and quality of Kavalan is the same as PVC. It's Kavalan's enhanced shelf life and its impact on the planet that truly sets us worlds apart. For next generation printing materials and our children's futures, ditch the PVC. Choose Kavalan now.